Okay, so could we be saved? Had a little scout on Facebook Marketplace, and there was a 125 Kimco engine on there. Picked this up for 30 quid with an exhaust pipe, with the carb. It's got some wiring and that on there, so it's 30 quid. But we want to see if it matches to the frame before we get too carried away. If it matches to the frame, we may be back on. Let's go. Let's see. That's a no. Let's measure these back ones, see if they go. Because we may be able to get an engine cradle for the front, or make something up to go on there to hold it. So let's measure these two back ones and see how it sits. Or I could just lift it up and hang it from here, because we've got that hole. So if I lift it up and hang it there, we can see how it kind of mounts, see where it goes, and then maybe we could start it. I don't know anything about this. I know it turns over, that's all I know. So yeah, should be fun. Let's get a bolt and see if we can lift it into there. Right, after a lot of swearing, we have 1.5 bolts in the engine. So let's try and lift it up and see. Oh, yeah. I saw that weld had gone. Well, I'll show you what's happened. Hey. Oh well, that's the death of that one. Give us a second, I'll show you what's happened. Just let me catch my breath. So when I took this engine hanger off, you can see the rust has eaten all the way through there. So this frame is useless. I can't weld that up. I'm surprised it lasted as long as it did. So, what with the cracked engine, the rusted through frame, we've maybe got a few bits to salvage, and this bike is done for. Can't say we didn't give it a good shot though. I am sweating. So here we have the aftermath of free bike. This was the Huaniao HN125 I would have liked it to have gone a bit better than this, but there we go. Look at all the rust on that frame. I mean, that little bit snapped by itself on the right there, but that left one had been off for a long time. And kind of judging by the frame general condition, I shouldn't be surprised that happened. As I say, it was a free motorcycle. So I'm going to take off some of the bits that can be salvaged for other projects and store them away, and we'll move on to the next bike. Oop. Just trod on a bit of the broken light on the floor. So, well, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. So this is what we're salvaging from the Huaniao. Obviously that engine has nothing to do with it. There's a rear fender there, some lights, the shocks, some wiring that worked. Some of the lights were already, I had them in stock kind of thing, but yeah, there's some bits there we're going to keep hold of. Some engine parts. Oop. The wheels, handlebars. Handlebars I believe are the same as the HN125, so I'm going to hang on to them and see if I need a spare set when I'm doing my CG. There's a box of rubbish there. Got some crack. How does the throttle work on there? I'm not sure what all this electrics are. It's got some kind of electric, I don't know. Is that an electric choke or something? Who knows? It wants to go. It wants to go. I know it wants to go. And crack it out. Is that spinning? So we had it in neutral. At least we think we did. Why won't you play? Come on, play. Come on, play. What am I missing? Let's double check the gears. Double check the gears. To me. Right, that feels like neutral. Oh. Come on. Come on. Right, let's try. Let's try squirting some easy start down the carbs. Down the barrel. I've done the carbs, let's do the barrel. There we go. Have a little drop of that. Have a little drop of that. That's tight. That's tight. That's good. Oops. That off. Where's the other one go? Where did the other one go? It is all the way over there. Oh, it sounds like it's ready to go. Come on, have a laugh. Pop, 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 pop. It wants to go, it wants to go. It wants to go. I could just do with one more hand. Let's see if we can wedge that under there. That'll hold that there for the earth. Oh, look at that, that might work. We'll get ya, we'll get ya. Have some crack, have some crack. There we go. It run. I knew we could get it. Whew, smoking. And again. Well, I think we've got as close to getting that in this completely tinkered up way as we can. Let's have one more go. It's going to sound like crap because it has an exhaust pipe on it, but I don't care. Now we've got something to have a play with in the future, eh? Yeah, well, there's life in the old gill, so it's something to have a play with. Maybe I need a little fuel tank or something to jimmy up to that, but it runs. So I didn't leave you on a complete downer.